Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So, for today's lesson, I'm going to discuss, calculate, and interpret the chi-square test for independence and the extension of the median test. So, let's start. Chi-square test for independence. Chi-square test for independence is to determine the significant relationship between the variables involved in a study. So, when can we use chi-square test for independence? First, the objective of the study is to identify if there is a significant relationship between the variables involved, if they are independent or dependent to each other. Number two, the data is non-parametric. And last, the data does not assume a normal distribution. The formula of the chi-square. So, this is the formula of the chi-square. Chi-square equals the summation of O minus E squared divided by E. DF, so mo na itong formula sa DF equals number of columns minus 1 times number of rows minus 1. So, ang kaning sa atong chi-square, kaning murag E is mo ni atong summation. So, kato kong istorya ganiha. Then ang O nato, which is the observed value or observed frequency. Then last is ang E, which is ang expected value or expected frequency. Then contingency table summarizes the observed and expected values. So ma kanang tan-aw ra ta ni unya unsa ni ang contingency table kay magamit man ta sa observed value and the expected value. Then atong formula sa expected value kay row total times column total divided by grand total. Then we have an example here. So atong example, a ramen store wishes to determine whether there is a difference in the level of spiciness selected by males and females for their ramen. A random sample provides the data given below. At A equals 0.05, so mo na tong alpha 0.05. Test the claim that the level of spiciness selected is dependent of the gender of the individual. So, natabunan gud siya kay nag-cellphone raman karon. Then mo na tong data. So, natay gender diri which is the male and female and the spiciness level which is the mild, medium, hot. So next, the first step to do is define the null and alternative hypothesis. So HO, nato, the spiciness level selected by an individual is independent of the gender of the individual. Then our alternative hypothesis, the spiciness level selected by an individual is dependent of the gender of the individual. So based pa lang sa atong hypothesis, na mo na ang kaning independent of dependent. So, next step is state alpha 0.05. So, itong alpha is 0.05. So, katong na to sa example then. Step 3, calculate the degrees of freedom. So, atong kanang formula sa degrees of freedom or formula. Row minus 1 times column minus 1 then 2 minus 1. So, itong row there kani male and female duha. Then 3 nganong na 3 diri is ang column nato kani mild, medium, hot. So mao nang na 3. Then 2 minus 1 equals 1, then 3 minus 1 equals 2. Then ako atong DF diri is equals 2. Then step 4, calculate the expected frequency. So how to calculate the expected frequency? So kabantay mo na ning O. So mo na tong observed frequency. Ang kanang observed frequency kay kanang given na daan siya given na siya daan sa atong data or sa contingency table. So atong i-calculate ra diri ang expected frequency. So unsaon pag-calculate? So based sa atong formula ganiha, we have the row total times column total divided by the grand total. So 63 times 37 divided by 111. Also, ang answer is 21. Then, same na pod nga kanang process, 63 48 times 37 divided by 111. So, atong nakuha nga to, ang answer is 16. So, next na pod, 63 times 35 divided by 111. Ang nakuha is 19.86. Next na pod, 63 divided by sorry, 48 48 times 35 divided by 111. Ang nakuha is 15.14 and so on na. Ato lang man nun, 63 times 39 divided by 111, which is ang answer 22.14. 48 times 39 divided by 111. Ang nigawas answer is 16.86 and na-round up na. Then next is we're gonna calculate the chi-square test statistics. So, ang atong buhaton diri kay base sa kanang formula nato which is ang O minus E squared divided by E. So, nganong na 24 minus 21 man na dira. So, base diri. So, ang kaning meal nato do meal nato nya mild kay namanay O ug E sa. Then ato ra na i-substitute dira. So mao na dirang 24 minus 21 nya. Sunod na pod kana na pong 20. 20 ang 20 nga O kanang nasa medium, male nga medium. 20 nga O na atong E is 19.86. So kana dira ingkuda din. So O na i-substitute ra na sila kanang unom ka buok. So ang atong nakuha nga chi-squared chi equals 2.03. So naa na tay chi-squared. Then atong kuan day atong critical value day nani kay murag wala man ni mabot nga atong critical value kay 5.91 kay base atong wala na kumabotang ang critical value diri sa PPT. So ang atong alpha man is 0.05 and atong degrees of freedom is 2 then base sa atong critical value base sa atong critical value kay 5.991 5.991 ang naa dito. So since the chi-square value of 2.03 is less than the critical value, so less than ang atong chi-square value nga nakuha, then the null hypothesis is not rejected. So ang chi-square man kay ang sorry, ang critical value is greater than man sa chi-square, so we have to accept HA. Balik ta sa HA nato. Unsa ni atong HA diri? Murag wrong ni atong HA guro diri. There is not enough evidence to suggest that the spiciness level selected by an individual is dependent. Is dependent. So, is dependent. Yeah. Sakto ra day, sakto ra. Dependent on the individual's gender. So, sakto ra tong HA diri, independent. Then, next topic will be the median test or the multi-sample test. So, what is median test? It is also called a sign test for key independent samples. It is a non-parametric test. It is a straightforward extension of the median test for two independent samples. The chi-square test is used for key independent samples. So, magamit na po tag chi-square diri sa median test or the extension of the median test. So, example, a sampling of the acidity of rain for 10 randomly selected rainfalls was recorded at three different locations in the province of Northern Samar: Bear Island, Caterman, and Silvino Lobos. The pH reading for these 30 rainfalls are shown in the table. Note that the pH readings range from 0 to 14. 0 is acid and 14. 14 is alkaline. Pure water flowing through clean air has a pH reading of 5.7. So, mo na itong table, ang Berry, Caterman, Selbenolobus. Ang data na to. So, use the median test at 0.05 level. So, malangyapon atong alpha diri. Atong alpha. Ang gamit sa median test, ang alpha na kay 0.05 yapon. Then, um, Uh, the problem is there a significant difference in the pH readings among the three different municipalities of Northern Samar. Um, First step is the hypothesis. HO. Ang HO na to is there is no significant difference in the pH readings among the three municipalities in Northern Samar. Then atong H1 or HA, which is the um, alternative hypothesis, there is a significant difference in the pH readings among the three municipalities in Northern Samar. The next step is level of significance. So, atong alpha is equals 0.05. So, based sa katong nakuha dito nga gigamit sa atong median test. Then, atong DF, mo lang gyapon same, column minus 1 times row minus 1. Then, atong column diri kay 2 minus 1. So, dili ni wala ta magbase na niya lain na. So, ato ra na ma-discuss kano na 2 minus 1 na dra o 3 minus 1. So, atong DF equals 2. Then, nasayop ni ay sakto ra din ni ang sayop de sayop kay critical value man tan idre niyang nabutang kay x squared 0.05. So, atong critical value diri kay mo lang gyapon kay chi-square man ta. So, 5.991 ang nakuha na to nga critical value. Ang nakuha, ang tan-aw day, ang na-find na to. So, statistic median test for key independent sample. So, nganong nag-plus man ang mga side, nganong mga nag-minus man na. So, nag-base ta diri sa ilang mean. So, pila ang ilang mean dira. So, 4.3 ang mean nila diri. Maggamit tag mean na mangita kita sa mean nga. So, ang mean nato kay 4.3. So, less than 4. So, og less than 4 gani kay minus. So, mo na dirang na minus na dira kay less than 4 man na sila. Then, above 4 kay mo nang na positive dira. So, next computation. So, ari na ta nagbase sa katong nakuha nato sa degrees of freedom. So, nganong na um duha ra man to ka row. So, nganong na duha ka row og column. So, mo na dira. Then, mo na ang na atong balikon bi. So, ang column day nato kay duha. So, kana duha above 4.3 and below 4.3. Then, ang row nato kay tulo. Kanang Berry, Caterman, Silvino, Lobos. Then, same gyapon ang observed frequency nato kay given na daan, which is nganong nahimong 1 dira kay positive man na siya dira o sa igbaw. So, usa man to diri o usa tong Berry. Then, nganong naunom man na dira. So, unom ka plus atong Caterman. Lawa, mama, kanang kuhan din. Silvino Lobos, pito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Na, kanang putol gyud ang last kay nag-cellphone ra gyud. Then, next kay atong i-total ang atong i-calculate ang expected value. So, ang expected value nato diri kay atong unahon ang kaning 10 times 14 divided by 30, so 4.7. Same ra na sila og expected value kung median test. Same ra na sila expected value sa ari sa positive. Then ari na punta sa negative or below 4.3 ang atong kuha ng expected value. So 10 times 16 divided by 30. So So 5.3. So 5.3 ra silang tulo. Then sunod kay atong kwaon ang ilang chi-square. So ato rang i-substitute ang 1 minus 4.7. Sorry guys, wala gyud mabot nga 1 minus 4.7 squared divided by 4.7. So, next na po, 6 minus 4.7 squared divided by 4.7 plus 7 minus 4.7 squared divided by 4.7, then plus 9 minus 5.3 squared divided by 5.3 plus 4 minus 5.3 squared divided by 5.3 plus 3 minus 5.3 squared divided by 5.3. So, atong nakuha nga answer is equal 8.2299 or equals 8.30. Next is the decision rule. Kay naa naman tayo nakuha nga chi-squared value. No, if the computed value is greater than the tabular value, this confirm the HO. So, ang atong nakuha nga chi-square chi-square value kay greater than kay 8.299, then ang atong kuan ba ang atong critical value kay 5.991 ra din. Since the computed value of 8.299 is greater than the tabular value or the critical value, which is the 5.991 at 0.5 level significance with 2 degrees of freedom. So, atong 2 degrees of freedom. So, we reject HO. Or, um, kung greater than ang atong, um, kung greater than yapon ang atong critical value, we're gonna accept HA. So, kung bali pa, accept HA. So, there is a significant difference in the pH readings among the three different municipalities in Northern Samar. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening, everyone. Bye.